Karmanye Vadhikaraste, ma phaleshu kadachana. You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your action. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 47. For centuries, this single verse has been the answer to a struggle that feels uniquely modern. The paralysis of overthinking, the weight of a deadline, the quiet agony of watching time slip by as you do nothing. What if the key to unlocking your focus wasn't another complex system, but a single, profound shift in attention? You know this feeling. The project is too big. The syllabus is too vast. The career path is too unclear. And so, the mind, terrified of the mountain it sees, chooses the path of least resistance. Scroll, refresh, watch, delay. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's fear. Fear of the outcome, fear of not being perfect, fear of the fruit. 5,000 years ago, on another field brimming with pressure, the greatest archer of his age, Arjuna, faced the same inner shutdown. Overwhelmed, paralyzed, he dropped his bow. His teacher, Krishna, did not give him a better battle strategy. He gave him a better way to see. Arjuna's problem wasn't the war. It was his attachment to the result. The guilt of victory, the shame of killing, the burden of future consequences. His mind was trapped in a future that hadn't happened. Sound familiar? Your war might be an exam, a startup, a creative pursuit. Your paralysis comes from the same place. Being chained to the fruit, the grade, the success, the validation, and forgetting the action itself. Krishna's solution is Karma Yoga, the yoga of selfless action. He says, let your concern be with action alone, and never with the fruits of action. Do not let the fruits of action be your motive. This is the ultimate mental decluttering. It's not about not caring about the result. It's about freeing your attention from the anxiety of the result and investing it wholly in the purity of the effort. Modern science calls this process over outcome. It reduces cognitive load and anxiety. The Gita calls it dharma, your right action, done with excellence for its own sake. The moment you decouple the action from the heavy, looming fruit, the action becomes light. It becomes possible. It becomes just an action. You are not the score you get. You are the focus you bring. So how do you apply this ancient detachment in a world of relentless distraction? You use the 2-minute rule of Karma Yoga. Step 1. The sacred start. Hits. Don't think, I must finish this chapter. That's the fruit. Think, my dharma right now is to give this my complete attention for just 120 seconds. Set a timer. For those 2 minutes, you are not a student worried about grades. You're a karma yogi perfecting your focus. The project is irrelevant. Only the action exists. Step 2. Witness the resistance. As you start, thoughts will scream, "This is pointless. Just check Instagram." Here, Krishna whispers another truth. You are not your thoughts. You are the witness of them. Acknowledge the thought, there's the fear of failure again, and gently return to the action. You are detaching from the mental drama too. Step 3. Flow is the reward. You committed to the action, not the fruit. Often the timer will end and you'll want to continue. You've tricked your mind into the state of flow, where action and awareness merge. The relief you feel is the shedding of the fruit's weight. The empowerment is realizing the action was always within your control. Step 4. Build your action altar. Create a space that honors action. One clear workspace. Your phone in another room. A single task on screen. This is your modern yajna, ritual altar. a space where you perform the sacred ritual of focused work for its own sake. Tonight, when you sit down to work, don't bring the weight of your entire future to the desk. Bring only the next 2 minutes. Perform that action with dignity. Let the fruit take care of itself. What is one task you've been avoiding where you can apply the 2-minute rule of Karma Yoga today? My focus is my practice. My effort is my purpose. Pause tonight and ask yourself quietly, which action today came from the fear of the fruit, and which came from the clarity of my Dharma?